Yeah, welcome to Bala's physics class. Refraction of light. This is a most important phenomena in the case of light. We have discussed before reflection of light. Now, what is a refraction of light? The change in the path of light direction or change in the direction of light when it passes through a transparent medium is called as refraction of light. Means simple, through the spectacles we will see light. Okay, so a normal person and specs person, whenever they will see the light, there is a difference. If the specs person, he will remove the specs and he cannot see the proper distance. That means the light which is passing through the specs is bending. Okay, if light is bending means the changing the direction. Okay, so whenever it passes through the transparent medium only it is possible. So same way, then when a light ray incident on any surface of the transparent medium, it will bend, means it changes its direction of path. So that phenomena is called as refraction of light. Bending of a light at boundary of the media is called as refraction of light. Okay, so that's why I can tell you change in the direction of light when it passes through transparent medium is called refraction. Okay, so we have so many examples. Nothing but when you drop in a glass, couch glass, if you are taking in the couch glass, if you are dropping a pencil, obviously it's look like it's in a bending manner. Okay, this is for observer who is seeing from the other side. Who is seeing from the other side it is happening. If anybody, the person is seeing that light in a vertical direction, means perpendicular direction, if he is able to see, then he'll see the object position exactly in the particular changing medium. Now, here when light ray incident on the medium is called incident ray, it makes an angle with respect to normal is called as incident angle. The light ray which is bending, usually here the light ray passing from the medium of air, let us say we can call rarer medium, from rarer medium to denser medium it is passing. So whenever it is passing to the denser medium, it suffers more opposition force by the dense medium particles. Therefore, it will bend towards a normal. It bends towards a normal. Okay, so this is refraction of light. This angle, the refracted light ray which is making an angle with the normal is called angle of refraction. So if there is no medium, the light ray could have traveled like this in a straight manner. Okay, due to changing in the path of light, due to changing in the medium, there is a change in the path of light. So this path, how much it has changed, we call as angle of deviation or deviation light. This deviation of light, how it will take place usually? This deviation of light will take place depends on the medium. Now in this case, in which I have drawn diagram, light ray passing from the rarer to denser, so it is bending towards a normal. So here always angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction. So therefore, how much the light ray has deviated, I can write angle of deviation is equal to angle of incidence minus angle of refraction, I can write. Okay, that is when light ray passes from rarer to denser medium. If light ray passes from denser to rarer medium, let us say, if light ray passes, this is a denser medium, this is a rarer medium, optically denser, optically rarer. So it makes an angle with respect to the normal, angle of incidence. So whenever it will enter into the rarer medium, then it will move away from the normal. But if there is no change in the medium, it could have traveled like this. So this is angle of refraction if I'll take. This one we can call it as angle of deviation. So in this case, angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. See here, angle of refraction is more than the angle of incidence. Therefore, angle of deviation is equal to, I can write as angle of refraction minus angle of incidence. Okay, this is happen when light ray passes from denser to rarer. This is happen when light ray passes from rarer to denser medium. Okay, this is the way the light ray gets deviated whenever it has crossed or changed a medium in a phenomena of refraction of light. If light ray enters perpendicularly, I mean if light ray enters along the normal, that means this is the boundary of the medium. If light ray incident along the normal, it's making angle of incidence equal to 0 degrees, but with respect to the boundary of the medium it is 90 degrees. Therefore angle of refraction also is 0 degrees. Therefore there is no deviation of light ray. That's why the light ray will go straight in the any other medium. If it passes denser to rarer or rarer to denser, the light ray will not deviate at all. That's why at noon time sun appears in a white color if you see at the sky. Okay, but whereas in morning time and evening time sun appears in other colors, because morning and evening times light deviates. But now when light ray sun is above the earth, if this is a medium earth, if you take sun above the earth, the light comes perpendicular to the surface of the earth, therefore there is no deviation. Okay, this is basic phenomena of refraction of light. For this we are having the laws of refraction. Okay, we will discuss what are the laws of refraction in the next class.